Need to know how to get rid of Japanese beetles? In this video, we'll explore effective strategies for getting rid of Japanese beetles and minimizing their impact on your property. Japanese beetles are notorious pests that can wreak havoc on gardens, landscapes, and agricultural crops. With their voracious appetite and tendency to feed in large groups, Japanese beetles can quickly defoliate plants and cause significant damage. If you're dealing with a Japanese beetle infestation, it's essential to take proactive measures to control their population and protect your plants. How to get rid of Japanese beetles? Controlling Japanese beetles requires a combination of methods to target both adult beetles and their larvae. Here are several effective strategies to consider. Handpicking is a labor-intensive but effective method for controlling Japanese beetles, especially in small garden areas. Wear gloves and shake beetles from plants into a bucket of soapy water to drown them. Check plants daily during the peak feeding season and remove any beetles you encounter. Neem oil is a natural insecticide derived from the neem tree that can be effective against Japanese beetles. Mix neem oil with water according to the manufacturer's instructions and spray it onto affected plants. Neem oil works by disrupting the feeding and reproductive behavior of beetles, reducing their population over time. Row covers can be used to protect susceptible plants from Japanese beetle feeding damage. Install row covers over plants during the peak feeding season to prevent adult beetles from accessing the foliage. Be sure to secure the edges of the row covers tightly to prevent beetles from crawling underneath. Japanese beetle traps can be effective in attracting and capturing adult beetles, reducing their population in the surrounding area. Traps typically consist of a pheromone lure that attracts beetles to a container where they become trapped and unable to escape. Place traps several feet away from susceptible plants to draw beetles away from them. Beneficial nematodes are microscopic organisms that can be applied to soil to control Japanese beetle larvae, also known as grubs. These nematodes infect and kill beetle larvae in the soil, reducing the population of adult beetles that emerge later. Apply beneficial nematodes to the soil according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically in the spring or fall when larvae are active. Chemical insecticides can be used to control Japanese beetles, but they should be used as a last resort and with caution due to their potential impact on beneficial insects and the environment. Choose insecticides labeled for Japanese beetle control and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when applying them to plants. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.